What's up, fellas? Tier 1 early bird, break 40.24. We are full. Good luck here. Fresh set of dice. We're going just 6 times. Your squad's first. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here and 6 here as well. Houston Astros up top. The Mets at the bottom. 6 times now to your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here and 6 right there. Steven up top. David Harris at the bottom. Sort these out alphabetically. Houston did not sort, and they're still up top. We print and we rip, guys. Good luck. Again, 1 box of Tier 1 early birds. The early birds are 1 box. There are full casers on the site. Good luck, everybody. Supposed to be 3 cards, but we're getting 4 cards on most of them, it looks like. Nice one here right off the top. Again, guys, this stuff's loaded. New York Mets. Brett Baty. 103 out of 249. Again, on card stuff. Very nice. David Harris. Nice hit, David. Brett Baty. Evan Lee. Going to the Washington Nationals. 7 out of 10. Josh Cox. There we go, Josh. Sweet looking auto. Jose Ramirez to 199. Game used material. Going out to the Guardians. And David Harris. Andre Dawson to 199 for the Montreal Expos. Going to the Washington Nationals. And Josh Cox. Couple clean sweeps. Again, guys, recap it. Again, the early birds are just 1 boxers. Just 11 per. The Hawk to 199. 199 Jose Ramirez. Evan Lee to 10. And Brett Baty to 249. Couple nice autos here. That is the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. The next early bird is 40.25. It's going to hit the screen next. And the max is off, guys. You can take as many as you want. $24 left in the next bird. 24 left, guys, and 40.25.